This is Fisher Boulevard. And it's 10:45 in the morning. We're on our way to work. It's going to be a fun ride today. Turning on to Route 37. This is exciting, isn't it? What's your hurry, buddy? You're staying home, you're doing the right thing. This is terrible. Are lights optional today? Probably not. Let's see. Ooh, it's so quiet out though. Right? It's very peaceful. Very tranquil. Let's see if this guy's gonna make the light. Let's see. Oh, he did. Just passing the Wawa at 37. That's not a good place to stop, my friend. What you doing, buddy? It is a nasty day. Did they name this storm? It was named storms. Oh. There's something right on my butt. Seriously, buddy? Seriously? Right on my ass? Really? What's going on here? It's one of those days. Anything's gonna happen today, I can tell. I only got 15 minutes left on my memory on my phone. So I don't know if I'm gonna make it to work. I mean, I'll make it to work. I don't know if I'll be able to record the entire thing. We'll try. You know what? I'm going to pause it, and then when I get closer, I will show you my progress. Okay. Just got off 37. I'm going to cross 37. This is the bomb cyclone, by the way, guys. Happy Bob Cyclone to you and yours. So I'm at Washington. And I'm going to cross over 37 in a moment. And I want a snow day. Why can't I enjoy a snow day? Gotta get to work. You're going to hear a lot of me today. All right. Light's going to turn. All right. Good stuff. So turn on to Washington now. Let's see how this is going to be. I have a feeling this is going to be terrible. Just a gut. It's pretty much the same as 37 right now. It's now 10 to 11. And we're on our way into work. We're in to relieve Verace because he's been in early for free beer and hot wings. Verace should just stay. This is how Verace got hired full-time back in the day. Oh, whiteout. There's a huge blizzard. I guess like 7 years ago, maybe? I was on vacation. It was Christmas week. And he got stuck at the radio station for days. But they were like, we'll give him a full-time job. And now, can't get rid of him. So yeah, he was a warrior that day. Those couple days. Stranded. We got a plow going to pass me. So I'll let him pass me. Wasn't really necessary. We're all kind of not driving fast today. It's not like you're plowing anyway, buddy. Where you gotta go? So yeah, so Verace's at the station. And I'm on my way. Thank God we got a pinball machine. And a TV. Computers. As long as we have internet, we're good. We are good. So yeah, I'm on Washington right now. I'm going to be approaching Clifton Avenue in a few moments. And yeah, snow-covered. Snow-covered roads. Did you have a nice holiday? I hope so. Just go through the light, buddy. I mean, don't say I gave you permission to. And it's still not legal. See, you passed me. Now you're stuck at a light. How about that? All right, so we're on Washington. Bum, 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 bum. Be a fun day on the radio. You're spinning, buddy. You're spinning. It's all about safety. Safety first. Oh, and the best part of the day was when I went to bed last night, I put my wiper blades up so they wouldn't be frozen to my window. So when I went to put them down, as I was leaving my house, the wiper blade pops off. I'm like, you've got to be kidding me. Not today. Not today. So big thanks. My buddy Sean from Automotive Elegance helped me out. Fixed it nice for me. And now, we're on our way. That was crazy. Out of all days, my wiper blade has to break. But we're good to go. So we got Toms River Country Club on my left. Homes on my right. And I only got a few minutes left on my memory card on my phone. We got one guy on the road. Yeah, don't come out today. Don't come out. So I'm going to pause this, and then when I get into town, I'll turn you back on again. All right. Just about into beautiful downtown Toms River. Passing the municipal buildings right now. And just a few moments ago, I passed a UPS driver. A UPS truck. He's out and about today. How about that? Gotta love UPS. Working hard today. Big shout out to our friends over at UPS then. And we're in downtown Toms River. I'm on Washington Street, about to turn onto Robbins. Make my way into the building in a few minutes. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, if I can stop. Hey now. Can we make the turn? Yeah, we got this. All right, we're on Robbins Street now. Do not come and pick up any prizes today, please. There's nobody in the building. And we don't have them for you. Probably have to wait till Monday at this point, because I have a feeling people won't be coming in tomorrow either. So, there we are. We're at beautiful Robbins Street. We got Water Street in front of us. And we're going to turn into our parking lot. And, or are we not? Oh, wow. I'll park in the other lot to help these guys out today. Wow, it's bad. All right, we'll back up. We'll get out of here. If we can get out of here now. Are we stuck? We might be stuck. You stuck? Shawn Michaels, everybody. How close am I? That's what she... All right. I'm gonna go in the other lot. I'm gonna go on the other side.
Oh, yeah. You notice all the drifts are over here, nothing over there.
Crazy, crazy. All right. So our parking lot. It's brutal, but I made it to work. That's what matters. Come on. You can do it. All right, I'll talk to you later. I gotta park this thing.